Hi, this is Don McAllister, and welcome to another Screencasts Online tip video. With the release of macOS Sequoia and iOS and iPadOS 18, Apple have launched a brand new standalone password management app called Passwords. If, like me, you're currently using 1Password as your password manager, you may be wondering if there's enough functionality in the new free Passwords app to replace 1Password. So in this tip video, I'm going to explore the key differences between the two password manager apps and allow you to decide. Now, please bear in mind that this comparison is based on the very first release of the Passwords app, and over time, some of the differences might be addressed by Apple. As the Passwords app uses data contained within iCloud Keychain, the obvious thing is that you need iCloud Keychain to use it. So this will mean that if you're using Android devices or something similar, you won't be able to use the Passwords app, and you'll need to use a third-party password manager if you want to use them across devices. Now, you can use, if you're using, I think it's iCloud Keychain for Windows, there is a browser extension for Microsoft Edge or for Chrome that will allow you to use the passwords, the Apple passwords, on your Windows devices. But again, if you want to use a password manager that crosses all devices, you will need to stick with something like 1Password. That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.